And do you think I'm in moon? Of course I'm not. I'm in a park where there's geology. I can learn about stones. And you can also recognize I'm not in the moon because you can see the sun. Now look at this stone. It could break, but it's also a type of a animal's shell. Let's try to find the shell together. Maybe the shell broke.
What kind of rock is it, do you think?
I think it's a metamorphic rock.
And what is a metamorphic rock?
A metamorphic rock is a rock which is underwater
and changes its form with heat and pressure. Do you think there is heat and pressure in this rock?
Yes, because it's kind of like a little broken.
Ah, all right.
Come. Oh, come here. Look, let me clean this area. You could see a white thing. This guy was hiding here for long.
Where are you? Which is this place? Is it somewhere in UAE or somewhere else?
It's somewhere in UAE. It is a geology park about stones.
It's in Sharjah or UAE, in Dubai, or it's in Abu Dhabi?
It's
Where
in
is it?
Sharjah.
Was the drive nice?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, what is it?
I think it's a rock which was buried 2005. Come. Oh, rock stuck. Hriditya muscle. Look at this heavy rock. See?
What is the color?
It's red. Now let's go to this rock and try to make it break.
Oh, it didn't.
How about this rock?
Oh, it didn't as well.
How about this rock? Wait, let me get a little rock and another little rock.
I'll take you round.
Here.
Oh, we have to go far away. Come, let's go.
See, now I'm going to break this rock.
Do you think it'll ignite? Is it a flint rock?
I think so.
Oh, that's a big one.
With my big muscles, I can lift it up.
It's all right. Can we have a look of the place, please? Let's go ahead.
Okay, I'm bringing this precious rock with me
Why do you think the rocks have a different colors, Hriditya?
because in the olden times they have the climate change that makes them lose their original color to make it different colors like red.
Have you read about rocks in your school?
I had read about rocks, but it was in year 2. Now I forgot about it.
How many kinds of rocks are there?
3 types of rocks.
And what are they?
Igneous, sedimentary, metamorphic.
And can you give me an example of igneous rock?
I forgot that.
No wonder. All right. Okay. What is it? Where are we going?
I think we're going to some kind of park where my dad is.
Let me follow your trail.
Look, what is this?
Don't put that. It's
Oh.
okay. Keep it back. Right.
Come. Oh, let's stop here and get him here. Oh. So much gravelly rocks.
Is it?
I'll sit on this rock
Mm-hmm.
and let's see if I can show you and take these rocks out to show you the rocks.
How do you think sands are formed?
How do I think sands are formed? because the rocks are mashed together into powder that forms a very good and very unbreakable sand. See?
Right. And why sands have different colors?
Same thing. Climate change.
So do you think sands are some sands are black? Where do you find the black sands?
In the ocean.
Ah, below the ocean or on the surface or where?
On the surface.
Or below the ocean also sometimes we get.
Yeah.
All right. Can we also go inside and show the museum, the Buhais Geological Museum? We'll come back.
Yeah, we're gonna come back. Hi, it's me, Hriditya again, like we were right there. Now, this is a limestone which has fallen from the cliff top. The cliff top is that part of over there, part. Now let's read this. It has a mushroom shape with a cap. Mushroom shape. The mushroom shape is here, and that's the cap. Now,
Why it is broken but?
why is it broken? Because while it was tumbling down, it had hit some rocks.
And then?
And then, not the video right now. Not the video right now. Now you still remember me. I'm from there, all the way from there. I showed you what happened. Now I climbed from those stairs and came here. Now I was before there where I will show you all the stuff which I saw. And now, since we're on the top, wait, what? Let's read this. Looking north, Jabal Aqab. Looking north towards Jabal Aqaba, you can see that the rocks are folded into a word ARC about 2 kilometers wide. The flooding that formed the Jabal was caused by movement of the rock layers from east to west, here right to left. The top of the fold has been eroded. The rock layers on the east right of the Jabal dip downward to the east under the alluvial fan. The rock layers to the west dip downward to the west towards the sand. Now you can see all the mountains which I saw in my drive.
What about the echo? Is there any echoing happening?
Let's see the echoing. Hey! See? Echo.
Again.
Hello!
It's a must visit place. There's a lot of educational stuff for the students, especially those who are in year 3 and year 4. They will come to know about rocks, different types of rocks, how they are formed. They will also come to know about the tectonic movement of the earth. And there is a very interesting globe which you can maneuver with your finger, walk you through. It's a small museum as well where the different rocks have been showcased, how the movement of the earth happened and how Periodically, the earth have changed its form. Let me give you a quick look on this. So this is kind of 237 million years ago, which the earths look like this, and you can see the Arabian plate and all the continents are not been demarcated by then. Then 893 million years ago, you can see slowly Eurasia, Africa, India, Australia and Antarctica are getting divided, but India is like a small piece. And as we move ahead, 66 million years ago, you can see slowly India is moving towards the Arabian plate and trying to form a country. And then 50 million ago, you can see.
الامتصاص
14 million ago, you can see this is exactly how the earth looks like with the continents and the oceans. And it's today. You can see its full form with Australia, Asia, Europe, Africa, Antarctica, South America, North America, along with the oceans around. This place is called Buhais Geology Park. It's a wonderful drive, very educational for the kids. Thank you.